Good day, viewers. This is KJTV News, bringing you the latest updates from Turkey. Istanbul Mayor Ekrem Imamoglu has been detained as part of an ongoing legal investigation, along with several other public officials. Authorities have stated that the case involves financial and administrative matters, and legal proceedings are underway. The situation has attracted widespread attention both within Turkey and internationally, as observers closely follow developments surrounding the case. According to reports from Turkey's state-run Anadolu Agency, authorities issued detention warrants for nearly 100 individuals, including Imamoglu and other public officials. Among those taken into custody were municipal staff members and 2 district mayors from Istanbul. Officials have emphasized that the investigation is focused on financial transactions and administrative procedures related to municipal activities. The case is still unfolding, and further details are expected as legal proceedings move forward. Following the detentions, authorities in Istanbul have implemented several precautionary measures. Temporary road closures have been put in place in certain areas of the city, and public gatherings have been restricted for 4 days. Officials state that these measures are necessary to maintain public safety and ensure that the legal process is carried out without disruption. While some citizens have voiced their opinions on social media regarding the developments, government representatives have assured the public that the case is being handled in accordance with legal standards. The detentions have also had an impact on Turkey's financial markets. The Istanbul Stock Exchange experienced fluctuations, leading to a temporary suspension of trading. Investors have been closely watching how the situation unfolds, as uncertainty can often influence market stability. Meanwhile, the Turkish lira saw a decline in value against major international currencies, reflecting concerns among investors and market analysts. Financial experts have noted that currency fluctuations are common in times of political and legal uncertainty, and the situation remains under review by economic observers. Imamoglu has been a well-known public figure in Turkey since his election as mayor of Istanbul in 2019. His victory was seen as a significant political moment, marking a shift in local governance. Over the years, he has played a key role in municipal administration, implementing various projects and policies. His tenure has been closely followed by both supporters and critics, making any legal developments surrounding him a topic of public interest. His party, the Republican People's Party, CHP, has called for a transparent and fair legal process, emphasizing the importance of due process and adherence to the rule of law. Other political organizations have also shared their views, highlighting the broader implications of the case. In addition to the legal proceedings involving Imamoglu, reports indicate that journalist Ismail Saymaz has been brought in for questioning as part of a separate inquiry. The details of this investigation remain unclear, but it has added to the overall focus on media and legal matters in the country. Meanwhile, social media platforms in Turkey have experienced temporary restrictions, which some analysts believe are aimed at managing the flow of information. Officials have not provided specific details regarding these restrictions, but they have been observed by various monitoring organizations. As this situation continues to unfold, legal experts and political analysts are monitoring developments closely. The judicial process is expected to continue in the coming weeks, with further updates anticipated. Authorities have assured the public that legal procedures will be followed appropriately and that the case will be handled according to established legal frameworks. Observers will be paying close attention to how events progress and what impact they may have on Turkey's political and economic landscape. KJTV News remains committed to providing accurate and balanced reporting as more information becomes available. We will continue to follow this story and bring you the latest updates as they happen. Stay tuned for further developments as we keep you informed on this news. In other news, a university student, David Ogamokaya, is set to face a full trial over allegations of publishing misleading content online. This follows a court decision confirming that the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, has not issued any instructions to withdraw the case, meaning the legal proceedings will continue as scheduled. Mokaya had previously requested a review of the charges against him and sought clarification on whether President William Ruto would be required to testify as part of the proceedings. However, during a court session on Wednesday, prosecutors informed the judge that no such instructions had been issued regarding the withdrawal of the case. Consequently, the court proceeded to set hearing dates to allow the case to move forward. During the hearing, Mokaya's legal team, led by lawyer Danstan Omari, argued that the charges should be reviewed in light of the constitutional right to freedom of expression. Omari emphasized that citizens should be allowed to critique public officials, including the president, within the confines of the law. The defense also sought clarity on whether the president would be called as a witness in the trial, given that the case allegedly involved content referencing a national leader. The Law Society of Kenya, LSK, has also weighed in on the case, questioning certain legal aspects of the charges brought against the university student. LSK representatives requested further clarification regarding the jurisdiction of the case and whether it aligns with existing legal frameworks governing freedom of speech and responsible online communication. According to the prosecution, the case is based on allegations that Mokaya shared an image on social media on November 13, 2024. Authorities claim that the image was posted on a platform under the account name Landlord Abosgabi, and that it contained misleading information that could cause confusion among the public. The prosecution further stated that the image created a false impression regarding a high-ranking government official, prompting legal action against the student. The defense, however, maintains that the charges should be reconsidered, arguing that online discourse often includes political commentary and public opinion. They have urged the court to take into account the broader context of digital freedom and responsible online engagement. Following deliberations, the court scheduled the full hearing for May 29, 2025. This will provide an opportunity for both the prosecution and the defense to present their arguments in greater detail. As legal proceedings continue, this case has drawn attention from various legal and human rights organizations, with ongoing discussions about the balance between responsible online communication and freedom of expression in the digital age. Stay tuned for further updates as KJTV News continues to follow this developing story. Thank you for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.